Hello friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to auto delete your video cache within the Capcut PC. Before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. So if you're a person who is using CapCut on a regular basis to edit and export your videos, then over time, this could build up and take up a lot of storage on your computer, right? So you want to go ahead and maybe set up an auto delete cache on your computer for this CapCut application. So how do you do that? Once you're inside the CapCut application, guys, all you have to do is click the menu on the uppermost left hand side, right? And from here, you want to click on settings. Now, once you have the settings window open, you will see the option that says cache, and you might have yours set to don't delete. So if you want to auto delete those so that you don't have to do it manually, then you want to select auto delete cache from your computer, right? So, and from here, you want to go ahead and you want to set the days that you wanted to set it for. So if 30 days is too short or too less, you can click the drop down and you can set it to 90 days, 60 days, and even to 15 days. Now for me, I think 15 days is good. I can go ahead and I can set that. Now, once you do that, all you have to do is just simply go ahead and click on save. So once you set the required days that you want to auto delete these cache, then after it reaches the limits, it will go ahead and delete those cache for you so you don't have to do it yourself. And this will help to clean your PC from those stored cache files. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video. And if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.